Stop trying to be everything to everyone. Start focusing on being everything to someone. Helping or pleasing everyone is impossible, but making one person smile can change the world. Maybe not the whole world, but their world. So narrow your focus and be yourself.
Stop making promises you can't keep. Starting under-promising and over-delivering on everything you do, period.
Stop blaming others. Start accepting responsibility for everything in your life. Blaming others accomplishes nothing and prolongs the complications you're facing. Either you own your problems, or they will own you. Your choice. When you blame others for what you're going through, you deny responsibility. You give up your power over that part of your life.
Stop reacting without a plan. Start planning and working towards specific goals. Make a list of your top 3 to 5 goals. What's most important to you? What do you value most? What 3 to 5 things do you most want to do in your life? Simplifying your life starts with these priorities, as you are trying to make room in your life so you have more time for these things. Having a plan, even a flawed one at first, is better than no plan at all. There is good reason why you should wake each morning and mindfully consider what and who you will give your day to, because unlike other things in life, love, money, respect, good health, hope, opportunities, etc., time is the one thing you can never get back once it's gone.